Going to Summit for 2 years, I watched all the people that were in Elite. They were sitting up front, and I felt like they were getting just a more dynamic experience because they had put themselves all in. I was a little fearful of spending that money, but for me, honestly, I needed that push. I needed someone to tell me, one, you're worth it, you're capable, you're strong, you can do it. And so I jumped into Elite, and it's been super beneficial to my business ever since.
I've been in coaching program for about 2.5 years. It's absolutely the best thing that ever happened to me from my business standpoint. It's enabled me to, at my age, be very successful in developing a new business, becoming debt-free, and meet lots of great people as a result of being in part of the Tom Ferry organization.
So when I experienced CORE, I figured this is not exactly the fire that I need. I need to step it up. And that's when my coach said, well, you know what? If you want to scale your business, you need to commit now. And that's what I did. I committed, got to Elite, and actually my income has quadrupled since I started Elite until now.
Well, I started out in Elite because I wanted the weekly accountability with my coach and being on schedule every week.
I did 10 times more business from in Elite than I did even in CORE. Usain Bolt is a runner. His job is to run a circle, not a complicated thing. We're realtors. We're talking about millions of dollars investments, 200, 300, 400 pages of documents. That's super complicated and complex. He has a coach who's on him every single day, if not week. We should have coaches that are on us every single day, every single week. Why do we not take it seriously enough to have a coach? When I was in Elite, I was like, wow, this is a business now.
Why wouldn't I make this investment in my business? What's the worst that could happen? I learned a few things. We went from CORE to Elite, and now we're with, this amazing coach. I mean, he's just, wow.
If you're in CORE, I recommend you to move up because it seems like that 2-week span gives you a week off, and then you get ready for your coaching call as opposed to getting it every week. Plus, like I said, it gives you many opportunities, such as the Elite Retreat that you have to be in the program to get here.
When I started with CORE, I always kind of knew it wasn't enough. You can ask my coach, I'd always bug him in between every 2 weeks, so I ended up deciding I needed to move to Elite. I wanted more accountability. I know that sounds strange, but it was really good for my business. My poor coach has had me for 3 years straight.